fix the Custom GPT file not updating. So to fix the Custom GPT knowledge file not updating, open the ChatGPT on a computer browser, as mobile apps do not support editing Custom GPT configuration fully. Then go to your Custom GPT's configure tab, delete the old knowledge file completely rather than uploading over it, and then click update or save in the top right corner to lock in the deletion. So the next what you can do is refresh the mobile app data. Open the ChatGPT app on your device, then swipe up from the bottom of your screen, pause in the middle, then swipe away the ChatGPT app from your multitasking screen, and then reopen it. Then once you reopen it, tap the two-line menu in the top left corner, then tap settings at the bottom, then scroll all the way down to bottom, then tap log out. Now tap yes to confirm it, and then log back in to force a profile and delist refresh. You can also check your mobile app store like Google Play Store or Apple App Store, find the Chat app, and if you see an update button available right here, tap on update to get the latest version. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.